Hello everyone. Today we're off to have a barbecue since it's a very nice day. We're just going to pick up one of our friends. I'm Riyad.
And I'm Ali.
Stay with us. We're gonna do a full vlogging of the whole journey and the barbecue there. It's after a long time, isn't it? How long was the lockdown?
6 months.
6 months. We haven't been anywhere in 6 months. Looking forward?
Definitely. It's a nice day today as well.
Yeah.
That's nonsense.
Too small, isn't it?
Huh?
Too small, isn't it?
The car?
It's too small for you?
Yeah.
So show your face. This is our friend, Mashuk. He's a bodybuilder.
Who is that?
We're doing a vlog, innit?
Oh,
Vlog.
Where
Should we go Morrison's to pick up the food?
I think it's going to be a big hassle of buying things, frying it on open air.
Should I just get a takeaway?
Yeah, we might as well. It's easier to get a takeaway with us, and then once
We'll go Morrison's and grab some.
We have to buy a lighter or something.
I know it's a big hassle, isn't it?
It's not.
It's not a hassle, it's gonna be fun because it's just three of us.
Exactly.
In the middle of nowhere,
Exactly.
near the lake. You know? So we're just about to pull into Morrison's
Okay.
and we're gonna pick up some portable barbecue, is it?
Yeah. Portable barbecue, some drinks.
Done our shopping, we're just on the way to location now. Hopefully we should be there in next 10 minutes.
Looking very much forward to it.
Yeah, it is really nice. It's not cold, it's not hot. Just perfect. 23 degrees. We got busy so much recording and taking selfies, we almost missed everything. But luckily,
I've got sandwiched
just about.
between a lorry as well, innit? Straight.
Yeah. We have just arrived at the location. Just
Shall I
looking
park
for
here?
a space to park here. We'll find a space somewhere. You know, because how many people are
But
there?
the thing,
Our fridge is about to light up the barbecue. Here it goes.
It's windy here, man.
You want to stand in that side? Just to block the wind. We just lit up the barbecue.
Yes, it's working. Just give it another couple of minutes, let the coal warm up, and then put the food, or otherwise it's going to smell of the smoke.
So what's that paper on top of it? Was it like something set flammable?
Yeah, flammable to light up the coal.
let me get a stick.
So I'm just gonna show quickly what we got for the barbecue. We got salad because we don't have a knife. Then we got the beef burger. Buns, of course. Got some sauce.
And some peri peri chicken.
Chicken wings, peri peri chicken wings. Got some corn and some drinks which are right at the bottom. I don't want to take them out because they're going to warm up otherwise. This is the location. It's Stuartby Lake. We drove to Marston Mountain, then we parked our car in the forest center, and from there it's about 5 to 10 minutes walk to the lake. We managed to pick up a good spot. We got lake right next to us and we are under a tree so that sun doesn't burn us.
That's the spicy one. I was going to get the beef one, innit?
Go on.
I told you to get the beef one. You ended up getting the spicy lamb one.
I don't know.
This is too spicy for me, innit?
Just pick it with your hand, man.
I don't want to.
So Mashuk is about to put the
There you go.
burgers on the... Don't you think you need to get rid of the fire?
Nah, it's alright.
So this is how it looks like. It's getting all smoky now.
Looking forward to it.
First time doing a barbecue.
So Afriz,
Yeah.
did you have your lunch?
Nice. Been starving all day for this.
Waiting for
Oh dear,
this.
it's a bit too late, isn't it?
Well, I'm waiting for this barbecue.
It's looking nice.
Yeah.
I'll show you guys a close-up look to see how it's cooking. I never thought it's gonna cook that good in a portable barbecue, but it's looking good. So hopefully you're gonna have some delicious food, but it's a shame we can't share with you. At least you can watch and enjoy.
Let's make it a golden brown, innit?
Right, so as you can see, guys, we've got some peppers, courgettes, onions, and cherry tomatoes. They're all going into the barbie.
So we've just put the salad on it as well. It's looking delicious. The burgers are almost done.
How can you tell it's delicious? It's not even cooked.
You know, when you are hungry, anything is delicious. Did you have lunch? I thought you said you didn't have lunch.
Well, I had to have a little bit. It's not a expensive barbecue portable, at least it's doing the job.
So Mashik is the chef today.
Yeah, mate. Chefing around.
Afterwards did the driving, Mashik is doing the cooking, and I'm doing the recording.
Courgettes to get cooked properly, and the peppers. The burgers are almost done.
It smells really nice.
Yeah, move the burgers a little bit more towards the center, innit?
I think we got the barbecue set up just right because the smoke, you can see it's going to the lake. And any accident happens, we've got plenty of water.
Okay guys, we need to get the burgers out, innit?
Since Mashik insisted, I've got the drone out. We're gonna fly the drone to record the barbecue.
Just to
And the shot will be coming soon as well.
Ready, gang, girls, ready.
Oh, there we go. I'm gonna have this burger. I'll tell you how it tastes like.
Go on. Nice. You're dropping, mate.
You're dropping, mate. You're dropping.
This is delicious.
You can put more sauce if you want.
No, I'm happy with it. This is my one. My one looks even more beefy.
It's nice, isn't it?
It's really good.
Have it with some onion, courgette, bit of pepper, bit more onion, a bit of cheese, and the burger, and a little bit more burger sauce, and close it in. Yeah, there you have it. Quite hot. I'm gonna wait till it cool down a bit.
Peri peri wings.
Now we are cooking the wings. As you can see, they're getting cooked really nicely. These are the peri peri chicken wings. What's your thoughts about this little barbecue that we had?
It's really good. First time
What
we
will
did
happen?
it. First time in the year. Been a depressing year with the winter, the pandemic. Nice to be out, especially on a day like this. It's really such a beautiful day. This is just a practice run. We are going to have a bigger barbecue later on.
Chicken looks really yummy. I really like the sauce on them. You can see the chicken is cooked really nicely. I'm surprised that a portable barbecue that small, we managed to cook the burgers and then the wings. But this is the last item we're cooking. Hopefully we manage to cook it before the barbecue runs out.
Look, he's got so much sauce.
Yeah, yeah.
So much. Looks like you enjoyed the food. Look at the camera. Look this at me. Mashik doesn't want to show his face because he was enjoying the food so much. It's always. But well, he deserves it because he's been cooking all this time.
No, wait. I've been cooking all my life.
Is it cooked?
Not really, man.
I don't want to have it like that. I want it to be cooked. This is cooked really nicely.
Oh, Mr. Fan, you're going back after
So we have just finished having our barbecue. Did you enjoy it?
It was lovely.
I enjoyed every bit of it. Like first we had the burger that was really nice. It was quite beefy, chunky.
But the chicken wings were nice too.
Yeah, peri peri wings were really nice.
the sweet corn.
Sweet corn was like a dessert.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not a dessert.
We didn't want to bring too much food because we
I
didn't know
think it
how
was
much.
just
we
right.
could eat.
It's just
Yeah.
right.
Just the right amount.
But just to practice, brother.
Come in the camera.
No, just carry on. I'll be there into here.
Africa, Mashuk is
I'm the
It's a bit
camera
shy.
shy. Yeah, camera shy. He is.
The thing is, like, you know, this is like Mashuk said, this is just a practice run.
Yeah.
Next time we'll just get a bigger one, like
Yeah,
a bigger
hopefully.
barbecue and more food, and hopefully it'll be a good day out.
Good one, yeah. By the way, we are taking all our lettuce. It's all in this bag. We're not leaving anything back. Like, everything's clean. After having the barbecue, we thought we'll go for a walk and a little run around. And we ended up having a lot of fun. I'm just gonna share the clips with you right now.
Go, go, go.
Stay tuned for my next video where I will be taking you to one of the most beautiful walks in Peak District.